Good morning, everyone. Just want to give you a little background information before the video starts. For Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we had an ice storm here. It was basically freezing rain. We were below freezing temperatures, and that makes it really hard on cattle and people. And so we were having to feed all 3 days because cows are ruminant animals. In order to keep them warm, they need hay, since there's not a whole lot to forage from in February, especially when we've been in a drought. At the beginning of this video, you're going to see a clip where we're having to get a heifer that was stuck in a hay ring. These hay rings are older than me. They were built by my step-granddad, and so they're like 40, 50 years old. This has never been an issue, and we randomly had a heifer manage to stick her hips through it, flip it over, and was stuck. So I had fed Sunday around 4:30, 5 o'clock, and my husband went out on Monday to feed again because of the freezing temperatures and the freezing rain. And he found her and thought that she was dead, but thank goodness she wasn't. So he called me, and I got out there bringing the Sawzall, and we were able to cut her out of it. We didn't film the part where she actually got up because it was like all hands on deck. We had a friend bring a trailer, and so after we freed her, we kept her pinned down, got her up in the trailer to see if she could stand up. And once she proved that she could stand up, she could walk, that she was acting fine, we let her back out to stay with her mom because she's not weaned yet. So the best place for her to be is with her mom. She's doing fine. The next day, she was up running around with all the other calves and shows no signs of having any problems. So I just wanted to let everybody know that and be clear so that no one worries about our heifer that was stuck in the hay ring.
Get over here now! Hey, get up here, get on top right here, Bubba. Lay on her. Blake, come here where I'm at. Get on her head. Get on her head. Get on her head. Hang on.
How can I throw Chad?
Hang on. No. Hold that foot. Don't get over.
Hey everyone, it's a whopping 22 degrees outside. Our high today is 27, and so we're of course out feeding these cows because they have to have some food in their rumen to be able to keep warm. You'll notice the babies, they have lots of ice on top of them. That's a good thing. It means that their coat is doing their job in maintaining their body temperature. Some of these mamas don't have near as much. Alright, so we're feeding alfalfa. When we bought this, it was called cow hay. It's basically alfalfa that was left too long in the field for horses to be able to eat. But it's good for our cows. Once upon a time, before we had livestock, we used to enjoy living. There was a time where you sat in the house and made soup, and nobody had to go to school or to work. Now we homeschool. We have cows. Our weather hits. This is the cost for a little while. Now we're also going to do it's hard on the cattle. It's hard on the As you'll see, Texas has had an unusually warm winter, but we've had an Arctic blast a couple of months ago that dropped us down. I think once we got down to 8 degrees, and of course now we get like raining ice. I don't know if you can see, like the ice just built up on these branches. No. Weather. There's our little 26 that was stuck in the hay ring yesterday. She is just fine now, up and walking, acting like nothing ever happened. We're all done with feeding now. It's time to go home. Have some lunch, do it all over again tomorrow. I don't know about y'all, but I'm over this weather. I hate it. This is day 4 of feeding in freezing temperatures. Well, I guess Sunday it wasn't freezing. Monday and Tuesday it was, and now today it is. It's 28 degrees and it's raining, which is even harder on the cows because now they're wet and cold. We're attempting to flake hay grazer off and cube at the same time off the bed of the pickup. We made it through the freeze. Now we just have a little bit of sloppy mud everywhere, but we'll take it. We need the moisture.